Hi SITOPtechies, we're back with another video, but this time something a bit different. What we're going to do is look at the SIMATIC TOP Connect, a cabling system to help you fault-free wire your connection, your application, and try to show kind of the advantages, what you can save on time with your application. So what we have here is an application with our SIMATIC power supply, design power supply, supplying an S7, and a number of input-output modules. Now with the SIMATIC TOP Connect cabling system, you can simply connect this into your SIMATIC TOP Connect module and then list these into your input-output module. And that saves you a lot of time in your wiring. But to really kind of get a feel for it, what we're going to do today is I'm going to spend the time to try to do it the classic way with the cables and the tools and everything, and then do it again with the SIMATIC TOP Connect cable to see how much faster I am. So that was a lot longer than I thought. 15 minutes to get that done. I'm not going to win any awards how pretty it looks and how fast I'm at it. I don't do this, unfortunately, on this demo rack very often, but you can simply see how much work there is behind it. So let's take a chance now and look at the SIMATIC TOP Connect. And I'm going to connect this one. Wow, and that was way faster. I mean, like I said, I'm not much very good at it, but I mean, that was just a simple connection of all labeled cables right into the corresponding input outputs, and then simply putting it into here. I mean, it's basically saving all the work of having to attach these, and I have a module right here, and I can then lead into my application with it. So you can see just with a simple cable, you can really save yourself a lot of time and also points of mistake that would really cause your application frustration. The cable comes in 3 different lengths, 0.5 meter, 1 meter, 2 meters, but we do customization from 7 pieces and above. So all you have to do is speak to your Siemens counterpart, your Siemens salesman, and he can arrange a solution for you. So thank you for watching the video. I hope this brought a bit of a understanding of what a small cable can have for big consequences.